feel like I don't know how to do like videos like this where you sit down. I don't know.
I guess we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Okay.
We're gonna make slime.
Yep.
I've never made slime before.
I have not. No, I have not.
Cool. Okay, so firstly, we need to mix the glue, water, and the baking soda. I don't have exact measurements, but I figured that this is like as far around as like one of those little measuring cups. So if we just like eyeball it, you know?
Sure.
Yeah, that seems right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
here's our water.
And we don't have containers that we can use, so we got gallon bags. That looks like 1/4 cup of water.
Sure.
Wait, let's put the baking soda in now. I feel like the baking soda has a better chance of like getting like what's the word I'm looking for?
Why are you asking me?
Spreading around. There's a specific word.
What?
You know, like
We're spreading around.
getting evenly divided. Like,
Oh.
you know what I
Uh-huh.
you know what I mean.
I do know what you mean. That's a.
I feel like I'm at Costa Vida. You know what I mean? With with the waterfall. The waterfall in Costa Vida is just like 2/3 of a cup of Elmer's glue. Well, I think we have a little more than 2/3. Does that look like the same amount to you?
I can't really tell, but let's just say yeah.
Okay, all right.
Exit the premises.
This should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yep. Oh, food coloring. We had one color.
Green. Can I have a little? Okay. I think I'm just gonna get 2. Where's the little lid?
Over here. Here he is.
Thanks.
There.
Hebe.
Hee-hee-bee.
Hebe.
Hee-hee-bee.
Hebe.
And we need 2 to... We're making fluffy slime. I should have said that before. But that's why we need the shaving cream. So 2 to 3 cups. So maybe just like fill this. Okay, that's good.
Okay. It's so pungent.
It's doing the same thing the glue... What if I just...
Gabe, the glue man, the grocery.
What if I just like...
Go for it. Dig in.
Oh, no.
Huh, that does work.
Yeah. Go ham. There you go.
Go on. Go for
Go crazy. Oh, I go stupid. Oh. Yeah. Hold up. What's that? Yeah, no, I meant tap.
Yeah, no, I meant to. I don't know what to add to it.
It's got like all chunked up.
Yeah.
Like that right there.
That's a chunk.
That's slime right there. This right here, that's liquid.
Yeah.
I've never made slime before, but this can't be right.
I don't think so either. Yeah, no, I meant to.
Oh yeah, no, I'm in tip. Let me get a water. Sure, here you go. Hold on. What's that? It's a bottle of water. Yeah, no, I'm in tip. High school party ASMR. Do you want me to get you a tray? There's nothing extra in it, I promise. It's pouring time. This is what it looks like. You know? Oh. That's what Abby's looks like.
I don't understand.
Should I touch it? Try touching it.
It's just foam.
Okay, try for touching this.
That's completely different.
Yeah. Maybe you have too much foam.
I could, but what would you add to balance that out? Glue? More?
Baking soda?
Might as well try.
Yeah, no, I'm at tap.
Oh, you know I'm in tap.
Yeah, no, I'm at tap.
Oh, you know I'm in tap.
I don't know what to do. I wouldn't mind if it was all just like that instead of having like shaving cream.
Mhm. Hold up.
I feel like we could make it work.
Hold up. What's that? Yeah, no, I'm in tap. Look, we made slime.
Okay.
So here's our finished product of slime. They both turned out perfectly.
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same. That's crazy. that happened.
We don't talk to her.
Perfect.
It just feels so nasty. Ooh, it's like almost soft feeling.
Oh.
And
I don't think we did it right.
I don't know.
Maybe it would have helped if we measured.
Could have.
Hey, Connor, you're on speaker with me and Abby. We just made slime.
Hello.
I hate my life.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, I didn't take care of Heinrich, that's true, but the thing is, though, I'm still scarred by the fact that I was driving and he was driving it.
We're having a fun time with our slime.
Oh, that's fun.
Just girly things.
Just girly things. Oh, my hand is so sticky. Maybe the key is just getting your hand in there.